Jai Swaminarayan. Myself Kumudini Nalaude, Atmi Green School, Standard 6th, subject Maths. We are doing exercise 10.3. Okay, before starting exercise, I will just take a fast recap. So, in this chapter, we study the parameter. First topic is parameter. The sum of all side is parameter. So, parameter of rectangle is equal to 2 into length plus breadth. Parameter of square is equal to 4 into side. Then parameter of equilateral triangle is equal to 3 into side. Parameter of regular polygon is equal to number of sides multiplied by length of side. Clear everyone? Now the next thing we study about the area. The region enclosed in the closed figure is called the area, and now we are solving the examples on area. So before solving we have understand only two formulas, right? Area of square and area of rectangle. So what is formula for square? Side into side. And what is formula for rectangle? Length into breadth, right now? So let's start. Fourth example, the area of rectangular garden of 50 meter long is 300 square meter. Find the width of garden. I think I have explained this one and asked you to do as a homework. So anyone has done it? Fine, let's see. The area of rectangular garden is equal to length into width, right? So 300 is equal to 50 multiplied by width. So width is equal to 300 divided by 50, that is width is equal to 6 meter. Clear? Now next, fifth example. What is the cost of tiling rectangular plot of land 500 meter long and 200 meter wide at the rate of rupees 8 per 100 square meter? Now first of all understand that the plot is in rectangular, right? So we have to find out first the total area of a land. Okay, so first we have to calculate the area of a rectangular flat land. Okay, so is equal to length multiplied by breadth. So what is the length here? 500. What is the breadth? 200. So 500 multiplied by 200. So 500 into 200 we get 1 lakh meter square. Okay, this is the total area. Now we have to calculate the cost. So how we will calculate the cost? Because the rate is given rupees 800, not for 1 square meter, it is for 100 square meter. So this 100 should be divisible to total area. Okay, so total cost is equal to area upon 100 multiplied by 8. Okay, so 1 lakh upon 100 multiplied by 8. So the two zeros will be cancelled. So 1000 multiplied by 8 we get 8000. Get it? Next. Sixth example, tabletop measures 2 meter by 1 meter 50 centimeter. What is its area in square meters? Understand the examples properly. Okay, this one is correct. We have solved for fifth one, na? Okay, right. A tabletop measures 200 meter by 1 meter 50 centimeter. What is the area in square meters? Okay, so first of all, what is the shape of tabletop? It is always in rectangular form. Second thing, we have to convert this 1 meter 50 centimeter in meters, because the area is asked in square meters. Get it? So 1 meter 50 centimeter we get 1.50 meter, right na? 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So 1 centimeter is equal to 1 upon 100. So 50 upon 100 we get 0.50. So it is 1.50 meter. Get it? So length multiplied by breadth. So 2 multiplied by 1.50. What we get here? 3.00. 15 to the 30, and we have to give decimal from right to left, 2 decimal. So it is equal to 3.00 meter square. That means 3 meter square. Get it everyone? Now seventh example. A room is 4 meter long and 3 meters 50 centimeter wide. How many square meters of carpet needed to cover the floor of the roof? Nothing is different from the sixth example. We have the if we want to calculate the square meters of carpet, we have to calculate the area of room. So for area of room, we have to find out length and width. So length is given in meter, so we have to find width. So 3 meter 50 centimeter, we have to convert it into meter. So it is 3.50 meter. Okay. So area of room is equal to 4 multiplied by 3.50. Okay. So let's multiply 0. 4 5s are 20, carry 2. 4 3s are 12, 12 plus 2 14, 14 meter square. Get it? Next. A floor is 5 meter long and 4 meter wide. A square carpet of size 3 meter is laid on the floor. Find the area of the floor that is not carpeted. Now see here, a floor is 5 meter long and 4 meter wide. So we have to find out first the area of floor. Okay, then we have to find out the total area of square carpet. Right? So if the floor area is greater, then we have to subtract the floor area minus carpet area, that is the space, or we can say that is the area which is not carpeted. Clear? So let's start. Area of floor is equal to length multiplied by breadth. So what is the length? 5 meter. 5 into 4 we get 20 meter square. Now next, area of square carpet. So side into side. So what is the side here? 3. 3 into 3 we get 9 meter square. Okay. Next. Area of the floor that is not covered is equal to total area of floor minus area of square carpet. So 20 minus 9 we get 11 meter square. Okay. Fine. Next. Five square flower beds, each of sides 1 meter, are dug on a piece of land 5 meter long and 4 meter wide. It is the width and length of a land, total width and total length. Okay. So what is the area remaining part of the land? So first of all we have to calculate area of land. So see here, area of land is equal to length multiplied by breadth. Okay. So 5 multiplied by 4. So we get 5 4s are 20 meter square. Then next, area of one flower bed, as the bed dug is in square shape. That's why we have to write here area of one flower bed square. It is in square shape. Okay. So is equal to side into side. Get it? So what is the side of a square flower bed? It is 1 meter. So see here, 1 multiplied by 1. So 1 1 is 1 meter square. Okay. Next, area of 5 square flower beds is equal to 1 multiplied by 5. What we will get here? 5 meter square. Okay. Now next, here we calculated total area of one flower bed, and then we calculated